Ever wondered how to run ads on TikTok and Facebook Meta to gain massive traffic and income? Welcome to the fascinating world of social media advertising, where digital marketers can truly make a mark. We're focusing today on two titans of social media, TikTok and Facebook Meta. They've transformed the way we connect, share, and communicate. But did you know they can also be potent tools for digital marketing? Harnessing the power of these platforms can open up a vast audience base, stretching across demographics and geographies. It's like casting a wide net into a sea teeming with potential customers. And the beauty of it? It's not just about increasing your visibility, it's about boosting your bottom line too. Imagine your brand, your product, your message reaching millions, sparking conversations, driving traffic, and yes, increasing income. Exciting, isn't it? So without further ado, let's dive into the step-by-step process of running ads on these influential platforms. First, we'll tackle the increasingly popular platform, TikTok. Setting up ads on TikTok is a straightforward process, but it requires some thoughtful preparation. The first step is to create a TikTok ads account. This is your command center for all things advertising on TikTok. Once you've signed up and logged in, you're ready to start your first ad campaign. Creating an ad campaign involves several key steps. First, you'll need to define your campaign objective. This is the action you want users to take when they see your ad. It could be anything from increasing brand awareness to driving traffic to your website or encouraging app downloads. Next, you'll need to define your target audience. TikTok's platform allows you to get incredibly specific about who you want to reach. You can define your audience based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and even the type of device they use. Remember, the more specific you are, the more likely you are to reach the people who are most likely to engage with your ad. Once you've defined your audience, it's time to set your budget and schedule. TikTok allows you to choose between a daily budget or a total budget for the campaign. You can also set the dates for your campaign to run. Keep in mind that it's always a good idea to monitor your campaign closely, especially in the beginning, to make sure you're getting the results you want. The final step is to design your ad content. This is where your creativity really comes into play. TikTok is known for its engaging, short-form video content, so think about how you can create an ad that will grab users' attention and encourage them to take action. You can use TikTok's built-in video creation tools or upload your own video. Remember to include a clear call to action so users know what step to take next. So that's the process of setting up your ad on TikTok. Now let's switch gears to Facebook Meta. Now, let's move on to Facebook Meta, a platform with an extensive reach. Setting up ads on Facebook Meta is a strategic move that can drive substantial traffic to your brand. Let's break down the steps to get your campaign rolling. First things first, you'll need to set up your Facebook Ads Manager account. This is your control center for all things related to your advertising campaigns. If you don't have an account yet, navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager page and follow the instructions. It's a straightforward process. Once your account is ready, it's time to create your ad campaign. Here, you'll decide on your marketing objective. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic, or maybe generate leads? Your campaign objective will guide your strategy, so choose wisely. Next, you need to define your target audience. This is where you can leverage Facebook Meta's powerful targeting tools. Think about who would benefit most from your product or service. Consider factors like age, location, interests, and behaviors to hone in on your ideal customer. After defining your audience, you'll set your budget and schedule. How much are you willing to spend on this campaign? And when do you want your ads to run? You have the flexibility to choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget, and you can schedule your ads to run continuously or within specific dates. Now we're on to the fun part, designing your ad content. This is your chance to shine and showcase your brand. Remember to keep your content engaging and relevant to your target audience. Use high-quality images or videos, write compelling headlines, and include a clear call to action. So that's how you set up your ad on Facebook Meta. But setting up is just the beginning. Let's talk about some key steps and tips to ensure your ads are successful. Now that you know how to set up ads, let's discuss how to make them successful. Creating successful ads is a bit like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients in the right amounts, and you need to follow the recipe. Firstly, your content must be engaging. This is the flour in your ad cake. Your content needs to be compelling enough to grab attention, yet simple enough to digest quickly. Use relevant images, catchy headlines, and a clear call to action. When done right, your content can be the difference between a scroll past and a click. Secondly, you need to define a clear target audience. This is your sugar. You wouldn't bake a chocolate cake for someone who prefers vanilla, would you? The same applies to your ads. Understand who your audience is, what they like, what they need, and tailor your ads to meet these needs. Thirdly, set a realistic budget. This is your baking powder. It's what gives your ad the rise it needs to be seen. But remember, more isn't always better. It's about spending smart, not spending more. Start small, test different strategies, and once you find what works, you can gradually increase your ad spend. Fourthly, track ad performance. This is your oven timer. It tells you when your ad is done or if it needs more time. Use analytics tools to monitor your ad's performance. Are they reaching the right audience? Are they driving conversions? Use this data to make informed decisions about your ad strategy. Finally, make necessary adjustments for improvement. This is your taste test. If your cake doesn't taste right, you adjust the recipe, right? The same goes for your ads. If they're not performing as expected, tweak your content, target audience, or budget until you find the sweet spot. Remember, success in digital marketing comes with practice, patience, and constant learning. So, start running your ads today and watch your traffic and income grow.